Today I shall be instructing you on how to make a damn good grilled cheese sandwich. The ingredients are locally sourced maplewood smoked bacon, homegrown caramelized red onions, fresh ambrosia apples, aged Gouda, freshly baked French white bread, mayonnaise, and European deli mustard. First and foremost, we begin by preparing the thickly cut maplewood smoked bacon. Cooking for me tends to be more akin to meditation, a sort of losing myself in the creating of an edible mandala, searching for oneness and control in the sizzle of bacon fat on a hot pan. Next comes a handful of red onions, tossed into the leftover sizzling bacon fat. Its patterns and scent capture me as I watch it cook and slowly change into my desired ingredient. It's all about choosing the ingredients that you think will flow together on your palate. From the smoky, meaty flavors of the bacon, to the distant and refreshing sweetness of the thinly sliced ambrosia apple. Sliced thinly as to not steal the show from any other single ingredient, as it whispers its subtle, refreshing sweetness to your tongue. As in all things in life, love, and cooking, balance is of utmost importance. To balance the flavors, to make them all apparent and known, is the most important part in order to do justice to your ingredients. Next comes the sharp, bold flavors of an aged Gouda. It will mix beautifully with the buttery umami flavors of caramelized red onion to create a creamy, rich flavor that will be the perfect, robust accompaniment to the rest of the ingredients. All mixed together perfectly on thick slices of freshly baked European white bread sourced from a local bakery, smothered in a mayo and deli mustard concoction to give it the perfect golden brown texture and a subtle amount of acidity to the bread. And here it is, our crisp, freshly baked French white bread sourced from the Pepelinka Bakery in Wakefield, Quebec, cut into two thick slices that are crunchy on the outside and fluffy on the inside, heavily smeared with our delicious mayonnaise and mustard concoction, careful to evenly spread the coating over every square millimeter of our bread surface, priming it to grill its surface to a golden brown perfection. I take my searing hot pan and place my first slice of bread onto it, and wipe the pan down slightly so that the bread can absorb the latent flavors of the other ingredients. Next, I sprinkle a good amount of our aged Gouda into the bread before placing a slice of our thick cut bacon. Sprinkling more cheese atop the bacon, I then place the slices of apple, and then more cheese, and the caramelized red onions, followed by more cheese, and then the topmost slice of bread. Here you can see I'm totally engrossed in the making of my edible mandala, So engrossed, in fact, that I didn't even notice when my phone died while I was recording this very video. And I forgot to hit record when I cut it in half to do the cheese pull. Though I saved the second bite for you all, the first one was mine and mine alone, my own little slice of nirvana.